I am Ken Barrios, owner and lead coach of Keybravo Leadership Development. If you are a supervisor or a manager who's trying to create more harmonious and productive teams, or a salesperson who's having trouble influencing their customers to buy, or maybe a person who is passionate about their nonprofit, you go to the gym because you know at the gym they have the right equipment to help you get your physical body fit. What do we do about other skills, like for instance, leadership? What do we do? Where do we go to learn this on a continuous basis, somewhere where we can train almost every day to get better at being able to influence people and communicate? Just like the gym membership, this is a leadership membership, and be able to get better at influencing and communicating, because that will matter to you, it matters to the people around you and the relationships you build, it matters to the amount of money that you will ever make, and because all those things are tied together, it will also matter to your health. This membership program is for you. Click the link and join us. Thank you.